Hi, everybody. This is a very brief introduction to Schoology. You should have gotten your Schoology credentials if you teach middle school, and I would highly suggest logging in and just checking it out. So when you go to Schoology.com, you're going to go over to log in, and you already have an account that's made. Again, you should have gotten those credentials in an email. If you haven't, please feel free to reach out to Laura House, and she can get that information for you. I'm going to click log in. Once I log in, you'll notice that you are brought to your course dashboard. If you're parts of groups, you might see some content here, but most likely you'll be brought to your course dashboard that looks like this, and you don't have any courses. So I would suggest going up to courses and creating a course. You can put in all of this information, and again, it's just going to be a test course, so you can label it test course 2020 or whatever you would like to name it. Put in a subject. Anything with an asterisk, obviously you will need to make sure you fill out and create. Oops, I need to put in my grading period. Here we go. So I'm just going to put in this grading period. Again, it doesn't matter. There we go, create. Once you do that, you have a live Schoology course, and I really just suggest following these directions. It'll help you get a better understanding for how Schoology works. Schoology in middle school is our go-to learning management system. You will use Schoology every day with all of your classes. Your students will use it all of the time. It is really the hub of where they will go to find information, to find content. So I suggest playing with adding materials, including adding a folder. Think about how you might want to organize this, and then more information will be coming out towards the end of the summer with specific expectations for how Schoology will be used. After you've made a test course, I also suggest going up to groups, and I'm already a member of this blended learning group. And what's great is this is similar to like a Facebook page, but people post and they ask for advice or your opinion. And so it's a great way to get to know the Schoology platform, but also collaborate with other people who potentially teach the same content you teach or have similar interests. So if you go up to groups and you go to my groups, you can find some of our school groups, which is right here. You can also go to public groups, and there are all sorts of really great resources. So I'm already a member of the Schoology Educators group. Actually, no, I'm not, but I'm going to go ahead and request to join. Flipped Classroom, that looks like something that I would be interested in, so I'm going to go ahead and join that. I'm already a member of the Blended Learning, but if you teach math, that might be a great group. Like I said, there are so many groups that you can collaborate with. I hope this is a good way to help you get started. Feel free again to play with resources and tools, but I wanted you to know that yes, you may log into Schoology, create a test group, join or create a test course, join some groups, and get your feet wet.